12 surprising signs of mentally strong people. Mental strength isn't something you are born with, it's a choice and an attitude. We all go through crap in life, but mentally strong people are able to learn from negative experiences. However, that's not all that it takes. The following list consists of the behaviors of mentally tough people. This is how they think, how they act, and how they treat themselves and others. And if you identify with these traits, then you're one of them. Before going to step further, I would like to remind you to subscribe Info World channel and hit the bell icon to keep in touch with us on this channel. Number 1. You can't be taken advantage of. Living in a society means interacting with and helping others. You find it important to show sympathy and help people in need. However, you know when someone is trying to use you. You can tell when a relationship is getting too emotionally exhausting for you. And you handle things accordingly. You refuse to be naive and don't let other people step all over you. Number 2. You know how to say no. Sometimes, you have to say no. Mentally strong people are direct but pleasant, and avoid phrases like "I don't think," "I can," or "I'm not sure." Making choices that might upset others takes courage, but living an authentic life requires bravery. Number 3. You ask and give constructive criticism. While you may seem firm and on track, you realize that you have a lot of areas you can work and improve on. Thus, you appreciate it when people give you feedback and tips. Similarly, when you see an area another colleague or friend needs to work on, you converse with them and give them constructive criticism so that they too can improve just like you. Number 4. You say exactly what you mean. Mentally tough people know that the words they choose to say reflect back on them. So they say exactly what they mean. Putting real meaning behind your words is a powerful tool for achieving happiness. You seldom encounter problems where you find yourself tangled up in things you might have said, because you are constantly aware of what you are saying. Number 5. You are constantly adapting. Mentally tough people are flexible in all of life's situations. You understand that having a fear of change is detrimental to success and happiness. Keeping an open mind allows you to see opportunities where others see failures. Number 6. You find solutions to your problems. Instead of complaining about something that went wrong, you try to figure out why it went wrong. This is how we move forward, and mentally strong people are all about progressive movement. You refuse to give your energy towards anything unproductive, and you thoroughly enjoy a good challenge. Number 7. You know that it's okay to be wrong. Some people always have to be right, and hell will freeze over before they utter the words, "I'm sorry." Mentally tough people, on the other hand, have no problem admitting when they are wrong. Apologizing for something is not a sign of weakness, it's actually a sign of strength. Number 8. You focus on the brighter side. Things do not always go the way they're supposed to, but you don't let it get to you. Instead, you try to find the positive side of such situations and keep yourself and people around you motivated. Similarly, if the situation at hand is something you cannot control, you stop worrying about it and focus on what can be made better and work on that. Number 9. You enjoy solitude. In a world linked together 24/7 by social media, you sometimes like taking time off. Spending time alone doesn't mean that you're lonely. You simply want to spend time improving yourself. Perhaps reading a book or doing an activity you enjoy. This alone time is important for you to rewire and reflect on things happening in your life. You also take this time to build on your character and review priorities. Number 10. You are in charge of your emotions. We encounter all sorts of different personalities throughout our daily lives, and mentally strong people know this. You accept toxic people and inspirational people alike, but you don't let either of them rule your emotions. Setting healthy boundaries and taking responsibility for how you think, feel, and behave keeps the ball in your court. Number 11. You don't care what others think. Mentally tough people are not people pleasers. You won't go out of your way just to prove yourself to someone. While you treat those around you with respect and fairness, you are not afraid to speak up. You're completely okay with some people going against your point of view. But you don't let them dictate your actions. Number 12. You are patient with achieving results. Success doesn't come in a day or two, and mentally strong people understand that sometimes setbacks occur. Whether it is a financial loss or personal health problems, having mental strength helps you push through the hardships and patiently await positive results. You take tiny actions continuously and focus on your progress. Mentally strong people are independent, and they understand themselves better than anyone else can. But the most important sign of a mentally tough person is the ability to accept and love themselves for who they are. Which of these traits do you resonate with the most? We want to know. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really does help us out. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.